Hi guys, for today's video, I'll show you on how to copy Facebook page link this 2023. And before we start, please hit the subscribe button. Alright, let's start after this short intro. Go to your Facebook profile. Then tap the three lines. Then select the page you want to copy the link. For example, this one. Then once you are on your page, click this. Then click the three dots. Scroll down and you will see the copy link. So you can now copy the link of your page. Click this one. Link to page copied. Alright, so that's all for this tutorial. If you learned from this video, please like and subscribe. And hit the bell button for you to be updated when I have a new tutorial to upload. Thanks for watching guys. God bless and enjoy life.